wild birds are an essential part of the world's ecological balance, directly impacting the environment and humans. They play a significant role in preserving biodiversity and the overall balance of the ecosystem. Wild birds in Saudi Arabia face numerous threats that affect their survival and diversity, such as habitat loss, urban development, illegal hunting, and unlawful trade. Therefore, it is imperative for us to work on protecting and conserving wild birds by providing suitable natural habitats, offering protection, and raising awareness about their role in the environment and the importance of preserving them for our benefit and for future generations. This is where the Prince Saud Al Faisal Wildlife Research Center comes in, with several specialized environmental programs, one of the most crucial being the bird breeding program. The center has been studying resident and migratory bird species in Saudi Arabia for years, understanding the mechanisms of wild bird migration and reproduction. Today, it is working on implementing the steps it has developed to provide a suitable environment for these birds and encourage their reproduction. The center typically works on breeding these birds naturally, but bird care varies depending on their species and type. Some birds require extremely specific conditions for breeding. The center provides the appropriate incubation conditions and adapts suitable environmental conditions for them. From the breeding season to egg laying, the center's staff collect the eggs, which then go to bird breeding laboratories. Here, all necessary observations are recorded and monitored for later review. The eggs are then placed in special incubators. The eggs are meticulously monitored until they hatch. When the eggs hatch and the chicks emerge, further observations are made, and metal rings bearing codes are placed on their legs to track their life journey and genetic lineage. Utilizing modern techniques for biological monitoring, disease prevention, genetic studies, and providing appropriate care for the preservation, analysis, and breeding of some bird species is essential. The center ensures balanced nutrition for the chicks, with sufficient levels of protein, fiber, and vitamins from grains, seeds, and feeds, along with vitalizing nutrition, which the center also provides and breeds. When the chicks reach an age where they can fend for themselves, they are sent to enclosures similar to their natural habitats, then prepared to transition to a new stage and venture into their natural environments. It's a wonderful event, their first flight into the sky. And leaving the nest, it's truly amazing. It's a new beginning for these birds and for this ecosystem. This work will certainly contribute to preserving and enhancing biodiversity. Protecting these birds is essential for building a better future for nature and for us,